ROUTLIFFE of Canada, HOWARTH of New Zealand, Huang of China, Dubber of New Zealand, GRAHL of Germany, and TALAMONA of Italy. From 1 to 7. Getting away very quickly, going in lane 3 is Nikita HOWARTH of New Zealand. She's using that underwater as much as she can. She eventually breaks the water, but it'll be alongside her Huang Yajing of China getting into a stroke. But at the moment, still holding on here is Nikita HOWARTH. She's been coming into her own in recent times, and Rebecca Dubber, her compatriot of New Zealand, going in lane 5 as well. For the opening 50 meters, and it's HOWARTH who's holding on and looking good by a good body length, but it all comes down to the back 50. Huang is strong. That's a seeding time 1:22.86.
HOWARTH with a second lead, and she's so good underwater. She really uses that to her advantage and has done again off the wall. But how much can she hold on now for this final 50 meters? Huang looking strong, trying to come back onto the athlete from New Zealand, but it's still HOWARTH who, really having made the most of that turn, keeps the lead. And now one of her teammates, it is Rebecca Dubber, who is really challenging Huang of China, and it's Dubber who is now going to be the one to put the pressure onto HOWARTH. It's between the two athletes from New Zealand coming into the final stages. It looks as though Rebecca Dubber has timed that very well indeed, and she wins heat number 1, a 1:23.62 ahead of her teammate HOWARTH for second, and Huang of China, the fastest seed, touches in third.
Well, Huang, who dominated the Asian Para Games in 2013, has been outtouched by two New Zealanders, 17-year-old Nikita HOWARTH. Great underwaters, but Rebecca Dubber, her compatriot, shows a little more experience in the back end and a strong finish as Dubber touches first in the opening heat of 2 in this women's 100 backstroke. 1:23.62. She'll take that. It's just about getting the times to get a decent lane draw for the final.
Well, that was season's best as well for Dubber, so she'll be taking confidence knowing that training has gone well coming into these Paralympic Games. There'll be a great rivalry between those two athletes when it comes to the final. Not much separating Dubber and HOWARTH. And the results, Rebecca Dubber topped heat 1 ahead of her teammate Nikita HOWARTH. Huang of China in third.